Welcome to our troubleshooting LED light video. We're going to show you how to fix your tree if you set it up and it looks like this with half of it on, half of it off. Might not happen the first year, but it could happen second, third year, whatever. We're going to show you how to troubleshoot it and how to get it back looking great. So in between each section, the sections plug in together and you need to look at the connection. Sometimes it's not plugged in enough. The connection is a little bit loose. You just undo the cap, take a look at it, push it in, and there you go. Your lights are back on. It's really easy. Just check that connection in between where the lights are on and the lights are off. And just make sure that it's plugged in properly. Occasionally you'll find just one branch is out. You'll notice the lights aren't lit on this branch here. All of the AH Gold label trees are made with a light string on each branch. Each branch is a separate light string and there's a connection in the back. So that connection can get loose sometimes when you put away your tree and set it back up the next year. Just look on that branch in the back and plug that connection back in. And there you go, your tree is back 100%. And if your tree is completely out, make sure you plug it into the wall. If you don't plug it into the wall, we guarantee it's not going to light. Every LED tree comes with a dimmer and a transformer. So that's the dimmer, and you can light it up and make your tree as bright as you want or as dim as you want. But if your tree is off, check the dimmer, make sure that the dimmer is actually on. And they come with a transformer. So if your tree is completely off, you can check the transformer, make sure that's plugged in properly. And by just following those few steps, if you have a problem, you should be able to get your tree back lit 100%.